Hi, my name is Dr. Faria of Central Florida Spine and Disc. Some of you are getting chiropractic care, and since I am a doctor of chiropractic medicine, many times I get the question, what is the popping noise? Well, the popping noise is something we call a crepitus noise, or a creaking or cracking noise. Some people think that is bones making a noise. Well, it's no different than when you crack your knuckles. Is basically there is synovial fluid in the joints of your hands or your joints of your back, and when they are compressed, gas or air pops out. So that is the question you're probably been wondering. What is that popping noise? It's nothing more than air popping out of a joint.